Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. I'm so excited for this dish today because my friend Josette is showing us how to make what?
We are making a pork tenderloin stuffed with pesto and prosciutto.
Tell us how you made it.
All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to get your pork tenderloin, you're going to cut a slit in the side and fan it open, pound it out a little bit to flatten it out. You're going to put some olive oil on top of that and season it with garlic, pepper, and some salt. Flip it over, lay your pesto out, spread it out so that it'll get all over the tenderloin there, and then put your favorite cheese, feta, goat cheese, whatever your favorite is. Roll it up and then cover the prosciutto around the tenderloin. Pick it up, just pop it in a pan and cook it at 400 degrees for 30 minutes.
Super simple, family friendly, economical.
Yes.
Josette, I want to try this, but tell us what you do because you're a busy woman.
So I work at Salvatore's Hospitality with my family, and I get to plan all the parties there.
And you guys do a fabulous job. Is that your favorite part?
It's my favorite part. We get to have so much fun for weddings and galas and all kinds of celebrations.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And how does your family feel about that? I mean, because you have 4 kids, right?
I have 4 boys, yes.
You stay busy.
We stay busy. I work late, but they come and help sometimes. You know, you gotta start them young.
I absolutely love this. And I'm sure you made some extra for your family at home, right?
Always cook double.
So as you see, you need to try this dish because it tastes amazing, the flavor. It is super duper duper simple.
It's very easy.
And you made it very quick.
Yes.
You made it very quick. So how can people find you?
They can find me at Salvatore's. Yeah.
What's the website?
www.salvatores.net.
Okay, and you need to get this recipe as well. wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. I promise you, it will not disappoint. This is so good. Recipes for Seven Life would like to thank Close Mentor.